How to enable dark mode on Instagram. Hello everyone, it's me Smile here to guide you through the way how you can enable dark mode on your Instagram. So to do that, make sure that you have installed and updated Instagram to its latest version. If you have already done so, then you can simply open your Instagram account. After opening your Instagram, you can see an interface like this. On the down right side, you will see your profile. Just tap on your profile, and on the top right side you will see there is 3 vertical lines right here. And when you tap on the 3 vertical lines right here, just scroll down and down up until you see the option of accessibility. Tap on accessibility and tap on dark mode on. If you turn this on button, then you will turn your dark mode on, and if you turn your dark mode off, then it will be dark mode off. So this is how you turn on or off the dark mode on your Instagram. I prefer the light mode, so I won't turn my dark mode on. So if you prefer your dark mode on, then you can simply turn it on just like this. I hope this video helped. If you like the video, then please do like and subscribe for more videos like this. For any comments or suggestion, do tap and suggest us in the comment section. Thank you. See you on the next video.